Are you stuck at being unable to follow people on TikTok? In this video I'll show you 3 working ways to fix this issue. Kindly stay to the end so you don't miss a step. The first issue could be that you violated one of the TikTok community guidelines. Now let me show you how to check if you have this particular problem affecting your account. As you can see, our account status is in good standing. Now if your account is clean, the second reason could be that you have followed too many people. To fix this issue, kindly wait for 48 hours to follow new people. But if you can't wait, then the third way to fix this issue is to go and unfollow at least 20 people who isn't following you back. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.